Today I'm going to show you 3 different kicking combinations to use with your Wavemaster. The first combination is going to be a skipping roundhouse kick and then a double to a back kick. Alright, the next combination is going to be a sliding side kick, and then switch your feet roundhouse kick, and then a tornado kick. Okay, so the third combination is going to be a roundhouse kick. You're going to go low high. When you put it down, you're going to slide back and then do a tornado kick with the same foot, land, and then do a rear leg roundhouse kick. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for a new video every week. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and those links are in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.